A launch template is an EC2 instance configuration information used to launch an instance into an auto-scaling group. So here's an example of us saying we want to create a launch template, and we are specifying our version. So you have to give a description of the version, and then you're going to provide configuration information. The only parameter that is actually required is the AMI for a launch template, but often you are going to be providing a lot of information. So launch template includes the AMI, the instance type, the key pair, the security group, the user data, the network interfaces, the block device mapping, and any other parameters commonly seen when configuring the launch of an EC2 instance. A launch template is required to make an ASG work, so you cannot not have a launch template when working with ASG. You can use SSM parameters, so simple systems manager parameters, instead of the AMI for the launch template, so you don't have to hard code the image ID. So, it says the AMI is required, but we can change this out so it's more dynamic. When you create your launch template with the same name, it will push a new version. An ASG can be set to launch a specific launch template version on the latest version. Okay. And a launch configuration, if you'll see this term come up, but a launch configuration is the legacy system that are no longer used to launch instances with ASG. The docs still have a lot on them because some users still have them kicking around, but you'll not find it in the AWS Management Console anymore. Probably still does exist via the AWS CLI. Not going to show up in your exams anymore. Launch template is the way to go. The key difference between them was launch templates had versions that were grouped together, whereas launch configurations were like, you'd have to make a new launch configuration every time you made a version, and they just weren't grouped together. There you go.